Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bully. Today I am going to show you guys how to add a search engine optimization feature or SEO to your WooCommerce store. Do you know why SEO is so important to an online business? It is because it keeps the search results fair. The higher you're ranked in search results is, the more traffic and clicks your online store will have. Plus, SEO also improves a user experience because it will make your customers become repeat buyers. It's also cost effective and it also increases the visibility of your online store to your potential customers on the internet. Before we get started, I want to welcome all my subscribers. I appreciate you. And for those who are brand new to my channel, my name is Bully. I create tutorials about e-commerce web designs using WordPress and WooCommerce. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. If you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. I also encourage you guys to check out my websites to check on my services, and I also have a private group on Discord server to discuss e-commerce web designs. Join our community. It's always free to join. I add all the links in the description box below for you guys to check out. All right, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go to the demo store, go to plugins, add new, search for Yoast. We are going to install Yoast SEO by Team Yoast right there. Once you're done installing it, don't forget to activate it. Then scroll down to the bottom to find the SEO plugin to make sure that you will enable the auto updates so you don't have to worry about that once it is time to update the plugin automatically. Go to SEO in general. This is the first tab. This is the dashboard. If you see any problems right there, please fix it. And then we're gonna click Configuration Wizard. Pick one of the options here. I have to go to the second option because this is a demo store, it's not live. And click Next. And just pick one of them right here. And you could add all the information on this page. In this case, this is just only a demo, so I'm not going to add anything. I will click Next. Scroll down a little bit on this page. We will keep the rest the same, except I'm not going to show my templates in search results. I will select No right there. And then I just keep the rest the same. And then click Next. For multiple others, just leave the default setting right here and click Next. For the title settings right here, make sure you select something that is very short. Be careful choosing the pipeline because it looks like the little L. For the long dash, it will make an extra space that you will lose a character for your site title. So in this case, I just selected a dot instead. If you want to participate to improve Yoast SEO, here just select yes. Otherwise, just click next. This is to sign up for the newsletter or some other classes. If you want to ignore, or just click close wizard and then you should be good. Just ignore the huge SEO issue warning up there for my demo store because this is the demo store, it's not live. Let's go to the features tab next. Scroll down a little bit. Usually they already select some certain options for the best search optimization for you already. So just leave them the same and just click Save Changes. Let's go to the next tab, which is Integrations. Leave the settings in this tab the same and then just click Save Changes. The next tab is for the webmaster tools. Make sure you click all those links and follow the instruction to verify the webmaster tools for each search engine. For the Baidu, it's for Chinese search engine. You know, Bing is the second search engine in the US. Google is the first one. Yandex is for Russia. It depends on your target audience or your customers. In this case, I'm gonna show you guys how to add an HTML tag into the site header for webmaster, for the Google Webmaster Console, and then just paste the snippet right there and click Save Changes. Well, I install a security plugin, so I need to whitelist Google Webmaster. So I need to select that box. I am certain this is a false positive. Once you're done, just click the verify button. I get this warning for my demo store because it's under the maintenance mode. It's not live. But if your site is live, you shouldn't get this warning message at all. So just let's get back to the demo store. Ignore my SEO issue warning on the top because this is a demo store, it's not live. Once you're done with the Webmaster Tool verification, just click Save Changes. And then let's go to the product page to work on a meta description and so on. Let's click on the short sleeve unisex t-shirt. Let's scroll down a little bit more to the SEO section. Right now, the SEO readability is bad, needs improvement. And here is the section for the Yoast SEO. In the first tab is for the SEO that we need to add. That is how you will see the search result for your store on the internet from a search engine. This is for the mobile result. And down here is the meta description box that we need to add a description right here. You can insert some variables too. Some variables are like title, page separator, site title, categories, and so on. That you could click the button Insert Variable on top of the box right there, but you don't have to. In this case, I just entered an example of the description. Once you enter enough characters in this box, you will be able to see the bar at the bottom turn to green like this. And the second tab is for readability. It will tell you how your meta description is like. This is what you need to improve. Like, I use so much of the passive voice, and my sentences are consecutive, and the transition words are not good. It's just really an example, so you will know the feedback that what you need to work on. The next tab is for schema. It is to help search engines understand your websites and content. You could change some of your settings for this page in the drop-down box below. This one is the product page, but you also have some other types from the drop-down box that you could select. And you also could go back to the Yoast SEO settings for search appearance settings by clicking that link, and then a new tab will be opened. And this is the second tab for the content type. Mostly, we don't have to worry about these sections at all. Just leave them as default. You can also add some meta description right here. The description here will be general. Like, maybe you could add a site title or a product category or something like that here, but you don't need to worry about it. You can just leave it blank, because mostly we will focus on adding a meta description in every page instead. So once you're done, just click Save Changes. The second tab is Media. Just leave this as yes. Click Save Changes. The next tab is Taxonomies. If you want to add a site title or a general description here, just go ahead. It's not gonna hurt. Once you're done, just click Save Changes. If you have no clue what to add here, just leave it alone, leave it empty, that's fine too. And then the next tab is for archives. Just leave it as it is and click Save Changes. The next one is the breadcrumbs. If you want any custom breadcrumbs, you can modify it right here, but you don't have to worry about it. Just click Save Changes. Just leave it as it is. And the next tab for the RSS, you don't have to worry about that. Just leave it alone. This is just only the free version of Yoast SEO. Let's go back to the product page. The last tab is for social tab. Wow, this is the free version. You won't get this feature yet unless you upgrade the free version to a premium version, and then you will be able to add all this information for the social media search. And once everything looks good, just click the update button on the top right. And that's pretty much it. That's all for today's video. Leave me a comment below what you guys think about adding an SEO plugin to your online store to help out with the search engine optimization. I would love to hear from you guys a lot. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and turn on that bell notification so you won't miss any future uploads about web designs from me. And if you guys find this video helpful somehow, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate your support a lot. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you for being here to watch my video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.